Environment Minister Nilesh Kabral on Monday demanded to know who had threatened the youth and as to when and where did they meet him. He was reacting to Marvin Pereira's statement during the Chikalim Youth Farmers Club press briefing that the youth who met the power minister were allegedly threatened and were told that cases would be registered against them.
Unnecessarily, I am only afraid. लोका बडकोइन गायल्यार जाल्यार केसीस जातले सोडोवपा आमकां त्रास पडटले दूख आमकां भोगता because in January we are going to release all the vacancies of all departments, nothing less than almost, as CM has said, 10,000 government jobs. I want to give at least 200 jobs for my constituency people, for youngsters who will become government servants. If people tomorrow have cases, police case, government job मेळ्ळली मागीर पार्टी No, I will not. Why should I give it right?
So you said you're going to convey our views to the center or to the
what I have spoken is enough.
Then please.
No.
We are saddened by the fact that you are not there now for Goa and for us.
Go to the office and get a.
Sir, you are over here right now.
If you have come to make an issue, you are free to do it. Listen. The way you are talking, please behave yourself in your talk also. Don't talk this language. You are free to make an issue. Just because I have given you freedom, given you so much time, you are saying you are not with us. How are you concluding I am not with you? How are you concluding? Go to the office. Nonsense. That is nonsense. No, I will not say anything. You all can do what you feel. It is a free democracy. You all can do what you want.
उलय ना तुम्ही लास्ट टाइम एका मीटिंगे फोट मारली तुम्ही आवाज सांगा उलो आता तुम्ही दोन म्हणजे तुम्ही सरा इन्व्हाइट केलेलो किती फोट कोणी उलयता देशको उलयना
त्यांना तुम्ही ना
नुसते तोंड कोणी नाही इश्यू करताय
दुसरें एक सांगता तुमकां फादरा मातशें मेसेज घालून चर्च लेड एज्युटेशन खंयचें सक्सेसफूल जालां लोकांक फकत कोणान घातला हांवें कोणान घातला हांव सांगता प्लीज ऑफकोर्स इट इज प्लीज मूव if you give all your names I will come to know who is leading. Okay, what's your name? Please tell your name. No, please tell all of tell all your names now. No, I want to know all your name, then people here will know who is leading the education. तुमगे नाव सांगा पडटले कोण लीड करता ते एज्युकेशन नाव सांगा न्हू
We cannot sign here. You go to the office.
Please go.
Please go from here. We told you so many times. Please go.
Please go.
You will do it. If you don't do it, then I will lose my trust.
That's a better job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. We have heard you now.
Yeah.
I would like to get to your notice also.
Yeah.
The double tracking with the 379 kilometers, 300 is done and only 20 kilometers are remaining. But those 20 kilometers are of mass destruction. Mondevulla, Mewadi, Tadinulla, and certain place in between there people are opposing. Now these projects when you are got, were they passed through the panchayat or they were passed through all these things? Because you all say it is for the people, but now people are opposite. So as a MLA, as a minister, so what is your stand on this?
Also,
because you all are not listening to the people right now, and again and again now it is what the DYSP also yesterday he said, तुम्ही virus पर आते अभी बंद करते हैं and all that. So this is like an open threat to the youth also, because tomorrow you all will not get government jobs and all that. We are not bothered about that, but we are bothered about this thing that is going on. You all are not listening. And from Corona time, there is not a single Gram Sabha meeting that has been held. So can you please start those so that we can talk to people, get everyone together, and then get a nice solution of all
See, one thing.
Also to that, sir, if I may add, the double tracking which is happening, at what cost is it happening? Why is it happening? Because the Konkan Railway, around 17 trains are passing every day. So in Vasco we have the single track, only 5 nowadays are going, and that only 5 trains are going. So can we increase the number of trains? Why is there a requirement for a double track? If you're putting a double track, what are we losing at the cost of our wildlife sanctuary, our national park? Is that required? We are for development. So we are.
I'll interrupt you because both
Sir,
sides have interrupted
sir,
me.
for-
Where it is passing through wildlife? Double tracking, it is passing through wildlife.
It is going to Castle Rock, sir. Please do read it. It is going to Castle Rock. It is going to pass through Moreland National Park.
There already there is a line. No? There already there is a line. So it is they are only double tracking it.
That is what we don't want, sir. The trees are going to be cut.
As I
The
told you,
wildlife sanctuary.
as I told
So let me
you.
complete. So let me
Yeah.
complete. The wildlife sanctuary, the wildlife, the plants are going to be in danger. We are not for that. We vote for development, but we want a sustainable development. If all these projects work for us, for the youth, and for our betterment of the future, we should have been taken into consideration, which was not done. And if it is for us, why are the double tracking work going on at night? Why are people being excluded? Why are people being stopped from agitating? Because it is a right to criticize the government. If you're saying it is not for coal, give us in writing. Let the government give us in writing that the coal is not going to be increased, the coal is not going to be transferred. We want that. Because promises everyone is giving. But you as a Panchayat Minister, as our MLA, Raghunath constituency, we want you to ask the government to give us in writing.
See, tomorrow.
Sir, please let me complete. Give us in writing that you're not going to increase, you're not going to allow Goa to be a coal hub. That is what we are asking you. And this, when you're saying transmission line, Nilesh Kabral specifically mentioned that we have 1,000 megawatts coming in. And out of that, only 600 we are using. So why is there need for more electricity? For whom is it being done? If you say Moreland people require electricity, they do not require electricity. And how many jobs are going to be created? If you say double tracking is for the people or to increase whatever goods you have, what kind of commodities are you getting in, and what is the quantum of that? We need the facts and details, and if you oppose that, we will support you for sure. So the youth over here are pleading, are demanding their right to life. Article 21 says that we have a right to clean air, clean water. All this which is happening is going to destroy our life. So can you give us an assurance that you are going to support
January
us?
is another month.
No, but before that, sir said that he is gonna convey to the.
See, there are two things I told you very clearly. On coal, I am 100% with you, 100% I am supporting. Whatever are the other sentiment, whether it is your tower line, whether it is your broad gauging, I will convey the sentiment to my higher ups, not only to Chief Minister, to everybody else in there.
So is that a
So let them take
clear
off.
message to us?
Sir, you said, wait, what assurance? I cannot stop it.
Are you clear cut saying that you're not with the people by supporting this
That
project?
is up to you to assume. In a democracy, you can assume what you want. I cannot force you
Sir,
to
we
accept
don't
my
want to
view.
assume, that's why we
Just
are
like
asking
you
you to
cannot
do that.
force me, I cannot force you to accept my view. It's a democracy.
I think the
Everybody
majority
is
of
free.
the feedback are
No, let's
demanding.
see who is there in majority, who is not. That time will
Let's
tell.
have a discussion, sir. That is what
No,
we are
no, no.
asking for a people's participation. Let's have a discussion. Who wants
सो तुम्ही एक डिस्कशन केल्यार आमकां सेपरेट आनी मिटींग दवरूंक पडटली तशें करून जावपा ना तें आनी आमकां इश्यूज आहाय डेव्हलपमेंटल इश्यूज आहाय सगळे इंजिनियर्स येयला डिफरंट
So to oppose the
तुमगे कितें आहाय शॉर्ट आहा तें काबार कराय न्हू
Let's have a meeting. Let's have a discussion.
मिटींग आमी सरागे ऑप्शन वचून मेळया तुमी सांगा यूथ केन्ना
No.
ऑप्शन
All the people.
ना ऑप्शन केला जाल्यार कोविडा लागून ऑफिस ओपन ना सद्दां ओपन
That's what, so we want to.
यूथ आहा
We want to.
No, that will give it time. We'll give it time.
Okay, sir.
सरान केन्ना युथा बायपास केलो नाय वो केन्ना तो युथा बार आपण ना म्हणोन पूण तुमी एश कोन आतां कितें डिमांड तुम्ही अंडरस्टँड जावपा जाय सराच्या एकट्याच्या हाती ना न्हू सरान कितें सांगलां आपण तुमची बारवा तुमचे व्ह्यूज आहाय ते आपण सेंटर स्टेटाकून सेंटराकूय आपण डिस्कस करतो मग आनी कितें एश्योरन्स जाय तुमकां
Okay, please give us in writing that you're going to take views
No, I will
from.
not give in writing. You have to believe me. I will not give in writing. Don't believe. Then you don't believe. You are free to. That's what. In a democracy, you are free to do
You're
what you want.
saying that you're not for the people, you're not going to do anything for the people.
That you are
Well, we
saying
have
with your
voted for
mouth.
you.
That you are saying with your
Well,
mouth. Be
we
careful
have
what you
voted
speak.
for you.
Be
Well,
be
we
careful
have
what you
voted for
speak to
you.
you. That see
Then
that.
let's have a discussion,
That
sir.
is a democracy. See, don't put word in my mouth. I will not speak a single word now. I have other things. No. Other
Not
people,
now, not
the
now.
other people also are equally important. I will not speak a single word more than what I have spoken now. More, please. लोकही बाकी येल्ला हा तेंगेले काम हे सगळे इंजिनियर येल्ला है उसका
Can we
सगळं
have it in writing to them as
No,
well?
I will not. Why should I give it writing?
Please acknowledge. So you said you're going to convey
This is
our
what-
views to the center or to the
Yeah, what I have
chief
spoken
minister.
is enough.
Then please,
No.
we are saddened by the fact that you're not there now for Goa
You
and
can
for us.
go to the office and get a. See,
Sir,
if
you're
you
over
have
here
come,
right now.
if you have come to make a issue, you are free to do it. Listen. The way you are talking, please behave yourself in your talk also. Don't talk this language. You are free to make a issue. Just because I have given you freedom, given you so much time, you are saying you are not with us. How are you concluding I am not with you? How are you concluding?
Go to the office. Please.
Nonsense. That is nonsense. No, I will not say anything. You all can do what you feel. It is a free democracy. You all can do what you want. I have given you concrete assurance. What is to be given? Nobody will give you better assurance than that. Okay?
इश्यू डिस्कस
अरे issue discuss करो.
He
wants to get some
हांव आतां उलय ना तुमी लास्ट टाइम हिंगा मिटिंगे फोट मारली तुमी हांव आतां सांगा उलोव आतां तुमी दोन
Without calling me, you
म्हाका
have said you are
दोन
invited.
पदार्थ म्हणले तुमी सरा इन्वाइट केलेलो
So that is
कितें
not.
फोटींग कोणी उलयता तेश कोण उलयना
त्यांना तुम्ही ना
बेश्टे तोंड कोणी ना
issue करताय.
पण त्या दिसा तुमी व्हडलो फोटींग कोण तुमी केले हिंगा होरा तुमकां
Sir, one sticker
तेश कोण उलयना तोंड कोणी अनाउन्समेंट केला डेप्युटी सरपंच एगेन्स्ट स्टेटमेंट केला ही इज द वन ऑफ द मेन हे एका रेजोल्यूशन सपोर्ट करची ओपोज करता तेजे
Please now. Please, we have other people. Please. Thank you very much.
Just give us
Thank
in
you.
writing your
No,
Please go to the office.
No.
If you want to writing, go to the office.
I think you can talk in a better way, sir.
You go to the office, please.
We are simply asking you to give us an assurance.
No. Please go to the office. I told you no. Please go to the office.
My people are waiting
Hasha, please move.
from morning.
Yes,
Please,
please.
please.
More than 1 hour. Please.
We are not your
Please.
people.
Huh?
We are not your people.
No, but you cannot.
Yes, give me 1 hour for you.
Time देऊ
Please,
ना.
please.
म्हणजे तुमगे लोक मग त्या लोकांना टाइम ना उदो ना तेंका रोड सारखे
आज हांवें
जावपाक
फादराक उतराक रिस्पेक्ट दिवन सांगला धाडून दी म्हण एक्चुअली आज नाल्लोले मेमोरंडम घेवपाचो आज दीस नाल्लोलो कळ्ळें न्हू हांवें फादर धाडून दी म्हणला धाडून दी म्हणलें युथाक हांव सराक कन्विन्स करता कित्याक आज इतली जाण आतां येवन रावतात तांकां हिंगा
दुसरें एक
बसोवन
सांगता तुमकां फादरा मातशें मेसेज कन्वे चर्च लेड एजिटेशन खंयचें सक्सेसफूल जाला
It is not.
लोकांक
It
फकत
is not church.
कोणान घातला हांवें
It is
कोणान
not
घातला
church.
हांव
It is not
सांगता
church.
Please.
It is not church.
Please, no,
Yes,
please.
it-
Give
of course
us-
it is.
Please move, please move.
If you give all your names, I will come to know who is leading.
For more than 1
Okay,
hour.
what's your name? Please tell your name. Huh?
Youth of
No,
Chicago.
please tell all. No,
Youth
tell all
of
your.
Chicago.
No, tell your names
Youth
now.
of Chicago. Go on, youth over
No,
here.
I want to know all your name. Then people here
Sir,
will
then
know who
please-
is leading the
please sign
education.
first.
तुमगे
No
नाव
one is leading.
तुमगे
Please
नाव
sign
सांगा
first.
तुमगे
No
नाव
one is
सांगा
leading.
नाव
Please
सांगा
sign
पडले
first.
कोण लीड करता ते एजुकेशन
Please go to the office. I
नाव
told you.
सांगा
Please go to the
Please
office.
sign first.
Nobody is leading
We
here.
cannot sign here. You go to the
We
office.
all
You
are
please
leading
go.
here.
Otherwise,
Please go. Please go.
Please go from here.
We told you so many times. Please go.
Please go. You can.
You will do it. If you don't do it, then I will lose my trust.
That's a better. That's a better.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.